relationships, inheritance, purpose and its types. Inheritance is a key concept in object-oriented programming, OOP, that allows a class to inherit properties and methods from its parent or superclass. The purpose of inheritance is to promote code reuse, reduce redundancy, and make the code more organized and modular. It enables the creation of new classes that are built upon existing classes, thereby allowing for a hierarchy of related classes. There are different types of inheritance, including single, multiple, hierarchical, and hybrid inheritance. Single inheritance is the most basic form of inheritance in which a subclass inherits properties and methods from only one parent class. In contrast, multiple inheritance allows a subclass to inherit from multiple parent classes. Hierarchical inheritance occurs when multiple subclasses inherit from the same superclass, creating a hierarchical structure. Finally, hybrid inheritance is a combination of multiple and hierarchical inheritance, where a subclass inherits from multiple parent classes that are arranged hierarchically. Inheritance is a powerful tool for creating complex and flexible class hierarchies in object-oriented programming. By using inheritance, we can avoid duplicating code and make our programs more modular and maintainable. Inheritance also promotes code reusability, making it easier to create new classes by building on top of existing ones. However, it is important to use inheritance judiciously and avoid creating overly complex class hierarchies that are difficult to understand and maintain. One of the key benefits of inheritance is that it enables us to create classes that are specialized versions of existing classes. By inheriting properties and methods from a parent class, we can create subclasses that are tailored to specific needs. For example, we could create a subclass of a generic shape class called circle that adds specific properties and methods related to circles, such as radius and circumference. In this way, inheritance allows us to build more complex and specialized classes without having to start from scratch each time. In conclusion, inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows for code reuse, modularity, and specialization. It enables the creation of class hierarchies that are flexible and extensible, making it easier to create and maintain complex software systems. Understanding the different types of inheritance and how to use it effectively is an essential skill for any object-oriented programmer. Is a relationship. In object-oriented programming, OOP, is a relationship is a type of relationship that establishes inheritance between two classes. Inheritance is a fundamental feature of OOP that allows a new class to be based on an existing class, thus inheriting its properties and behaviors. The is a relationship, also known as a superclass-subclass relationship, indicates that an object of the subclass type is a specific type of object of the superclass type. For example, a car class can inherit from a vehicle class, indicating that a car is a type of vehicle. Association, aggregation. Association and aggregation are two important concepts in object-oriented programming, OOP, that help establish relationships between classes. Association is a relationship between two classes where one class uses another class object as a parameter or return type in a method. It can be a one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many relationship. The classes involved in the association have their own independent existence and can exist without each other. Aggregation is a special form of association where one class is a container that holds a reference to another class, known as the contained class. The contained class cannot exist without the container class. It is a part of relationship where the contained class represents a part of the container class. Both association and aggregation help in modeling complex systems by establishing relationships between classes. Understanding these concepts is crucial in designing effective and efficient software systems.